Decoding the would in passive voice. Hello there, language learners. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating topic in English grammar, using would in passive voice. This can seem tricky at first, but with a bit of practice, you'll grasp the concept in no time. Let's dive in. Before we delve into would in the passive voice, let's briefly review what passive voice is. In passive voice sentences, the focus is on the action and not on who is performing it. For example, the sentence, "The book was read by John," is in passive voice. The subject, the book, is being acted upon. Next, let's understand the modal verb, would. Would is used to talk about actions that are hypothetical or not certain to occur. For example, I would travel to France, means that I have not decided yet, but there is a possibility I might travel to France. Now, let's bring these two concepts together. When we use would in the passive voice, we create a sentence where an uncertain or hypothetical action is being done to the subject, not by it. For example, the project would be completed by Monday, means there is a possibility the project will be done by Monday, but it's not certain. The structure for using would in the passive voice is quite simple. You take your subject, add would be, followed by your past participle verb. Here are some examples to help illustrate. The cake would be eaten by the kids. The letter would be written by her. The song would be sung by him. Remember, in all these sentences, the focus is on the hypothetical action being done to the subject. That's it for today's lesson on using would in passive voice. The more you practice, the better you'll become at constructing and understanding these sentences. Keep practicing and don't hesitate to replay this video as often as needed. Happy learning and see you in our next English language adventure.